Okay, so the last one we're going to do very quickly is we're going to go to Insert Shapes, and we're going to make one that is subtraction. So I'm going to, just because I'm going to make it yellow, this one. And then I'm going to go to Insert, Text Box, put a text box in here. We're going to call it Subtraction. And oops. We're gonna make it a little bit bigger, and we're going to change the font. Okay, now we're going to select the shape and then hold the Shift key, select the text, go to Format, Merge Shapes, Subtract. So now you can see. So now we have this. Now the next thing we want to do is, if I was really presenting this, if you wanted to do it, you want it to show up in order. So what we're going to do, and you guys have done this before, is you're just going to click on this, and we are just going to put in, but you have to do it in order, because if not, it will I'm going to do fly in again, but instead of it coming from the bottom, I'm going to have it come from the bottom right. How's that? All right, dear ant. Let's see, we'll do float in, and we'll have it come from the top. And then we'll do subtraction as a swivel. Oops, I did that wrong, didn't I? Okay, so I'm going to click on this again, and we're going to go here and go back to subtraction, and then select swivel. So now when you go to play it's blank. If I was teaching or if I was presenting something, I click, I click, I click, I click, I click, and I click. Gives it more interest, it's more interactive, and if I really needed to, I could make a movie like we did with the baby shark. So I want you to do this, and then I need you to turn in the whole entire PowerPoint. If you have any problems or questions, let me know, and if not, I hope to see you soon.